What is up, everybody? How's it going? I got a small little tool haul from, well, tool accessory haul for vehicles from Autozone. Seat covers and a UV light. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll explain why I picked them up. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys there. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick kind of automotive accessory haul, tool haul, you know, however you would like to put it. You know, if it's an extension of yourself, it's a tool, but these are seat covers. So I took all the seat covers that I had in the SR5 that got wrecked out. I was going to put them in the Limited because the Limited has leather seats. It gets really hot. Burns your butt. But what I was thinking, because my SR5 has fabric seats, I usually have two sets of seat covers in a vehicle. One that touches the seat at all times, that protects the seat, and then the second set that I put on is usually like a duck canvas. That's what I put on top of those, and that is what I sit on. It makes it a lot easier to clean them, because you're just cleaning the top seat cover. It also stops dirt and stuff from getting shoved underneath the first seat cover on top of the seats. These I picked up for 69 bucks. This one I picked up for $14. This is a little UV inspection light. It's kind of hard to see. It's purple. The camera makes it look blue, but it's not. It's actually a very dark purple. It is 395 nanometer. 6 hours runtime. Takes two alkaline AAA batteries. And this is just one of those things that I'm going to carry with me with my other pen light. And this is the police security version from Autozone, the Elite version. They work well. Automotive leaks, urine, blood, scorpions. You could use them for a lot of things. These are great for you know, rack leaks, AC leaks, lots of other things. But the reason I picked this up was I'm going to put this in the Limited. It's liquid and water resistant, universal fitment, airbag safe, tested and approved. So this comes with 2 front seat covers, 1 bench seat cover, and 5 headrest covers, which is nice. So I'll show you guys real quick. Go in here. So I was thinking when I took all the seat cover, I took both sets of seat covers out of the SR5, and I do have kind of a mess in here. There's the steering knuckle that broke. I took the brake caliper off. I put the rim right here. So the brake caliper and the lines and everything. The soft line's the only thing that broke, but this is what was attached to that rim when it went flying when the truck got wrecked. But so the leather seats are, for the Limited leather seats in the Limited, the back seat is actually in immaculate condition. The front driver's seat is pretty cracked and ripped. The passenger seat is cracked, but it's only got 1 rip on it, so that's not bad. But I forgot that my SR5 had blue fabric seats, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to take both sets of seat covers off and leave the SR5 unprotected so the sun fades that fabric, because my SR5 seats are actually in immaculate condition. Dang near brand new looking. So these, you can see the sun fade. They're supposed to be gray. They're starting to turn purple. But what I want to do is I want to put these seat covers back on the SR5 seats. And the second set that I had sitting over these was these duck canvas camo mossy oak from Browning seat covers. Those were expensive. They were like $59 or $60, something like that, a set. And you literally only got, or not a set, they were actually $59 a piece. So you had to buy one for the driver's side front, one for the passenger side front. And then the bench cover you had to buy separately. You actually had to buy that. They ended up coming out with a kit where you got 2 front seat covers and a bench cover. So they didn't have that the first time, so I ended up spending like $300 on seat covers at AutoZone. I really like these. These are all brand new. I've only had them for about 6 months in the SR5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these back on the SR5 seats just to protect the fabric that's left, the fabric seats themselves. And then the ones that I'm showing you in the video over there on the workbench, I'm going to be putting in the Limited. And then these, I'm going to slap on top of the ones on the electrical cart. This orange cart is actually my electrical cart, and I do have a mess. I've got to get stuff cleaned up. I do have all the carpets. I shampooed all the floor mats and the carpets and everything in the SR5 to give her a little love since the truck accident. I vacuumed her, cleaned all the carpets, took the seats out, cleaned under the seats with hot water and soap and a shampoo machine, and then put all the mats after they were cleaned back in. I also did find original OEM 4Runner Oak Brown, which is the dark mocha color, mats from a Toyota dealer. So I'm going to be purchasing those because the Limited didn't come with any of the original floor mats. So, and I'm also looking for a Oak Brown. And don't confuse it with Oak Beige, because Oak Beige is actually a cream color. The only thing in the Limited that's Oak Beige is the seats. The floors, the door panels, most of the door panels are all Oak Brown. And then the inserts on the door panels are Oak Beige. But I'm going to be picking up floor mats, original OEM floor mats that I can put on the carpet, because the carpet in that Limited is also Oak Brown, or I call it mocha, because it looks like my wife's Starbucks mocha coffee that she likes to get. So these, they're actually very thick, very soft. They're neoprene. I've never seen them before. They're new. It wasn't an option the last time I bought seat covers. Information on these is easy pull over your existing seats. Safety stitch allows for deployment of seat belts, seat airbags if you have airbags on your seat, which these trucks don't. Helps protect seats against spills, stains, fading, tearing, dirt, crumbs, pet hair. Fits low back bucket for bucket seats with adjustable headrests, which the 4Runner does have adjustable headrests. Protects seats against spills, stains, fading, tearing, dirt, crumbs, pet hair. Oh, it states that already, sorry. Standard bench for standard or full-size bench seats, front or rear. Easy to install, no tools required. I've been using seat covers like this for a very long time. They're actually very nice. They're called StayDri Neoprene. StayDri Neoprene, liquid and water resistant material, which means that this might actually protect against sweat also. Leather seats, as old as what is in this 4Runner. They're almost 22 years old. They don't have their protective coating on them anymore. And I do have a video before this one, actually 2 videos ago, that I actually did a demonstration on how to clean and properly condition leather seats, and why you should clean them before you condition them, and several other stuff. I like these sets. That gray set that I showed you, that is turning purple, that I just showed you a few minutes ago, was actually a set like this, but these are neoprene. Those are just like regular cotton, and those have been in the purple. The ones that are gray that are turning purple have been in that SR5 for the last 14 plus years. So you do definitely get your money's worth. They're airbag safe, which is kind of neat. Road comfort, they're really plush, which is going to make the seats a little more comfortable as well, because the leather seats are a little stiffer than the SR5. In the SR5, I wouldn't fill my wallet bulging out of my pocket when I'm sitting in the seat. In the Limited, it feels like my in the Limited, the leather seats and my wallet, it feels like my wallet's trying to stab me to death, to be honest. But it's nice. It does come with 3 rear headrest covers. This truck only has 2 rear, and it comes with 2 headrest covers for the front and seat covers and everything. It's very nice. I am gonna miss seeing the leather oak beige seats, but in Arizona, it's 10 degrees outside right now. When it hits 120, 25, 130 dry heat, even with humidity, we do get 120 degree heat with humidity and clouds sometimes, and the sun beating on those seats, you get in after an hour and those seats are like 190 degrees and they're just burning your legs through your pants. So that's why I normally have 2 sets of seat covers. One protects the seat, one basically protects the first seat cover that's protecting the seat. I also do it that way also because I rub through seat covers quite often. Yes, I sometimes am lazy, I just slide in, but most of my trucks are lifted, so I kind of have to sit on the seat bolsters and slide in. The Limited, I don't have to do that, but the constant in and out, 20 times a day or more, does ruin seat covers. So it also helps protect the bottom, the lower seat cover, or the seat cover I put on first, also protects the secondary seat cover that gets put on because it's actually stopping so much friction. It also protects the seat from getting destroyed a lot more. So these are just things that I figured I would talk to you guys about real quick. I've never tried this specific brand before. I've heard lots of good things from friends that it actually keeps the seats a ton cooler. And that's a plus for a vehicle that's 22 years old almost, with really somewhat damaged seats. At least the driver's seat is damaged. So I don't want really anything getting into the foam on the sections where the leather is completely ripped open. Whoever took care of the vehicle did take care of it though, because it's not the leather didn't crack and break and rip because it was dry rotted. Because when leather gets hard, dry rotted, it literally crumbles like broken or brittle plastic. The pieces that are ripped on the driver's seat are still pliable and soft, and I did treat them with conditioner and cleaner today. But that's all I got for you guys today. $14.97 for this UV light. It's an inspection light. I've been looking for an inspection light that wasn't huge and massive, and something that I can put next to my 100 lumen Milwaukee pen light that I use for inspections as well. So this will come in handy. That one takes AAA batteries also. These police security lights from Autozone are amazing. I've got probably 9 or 10 different variants of the lights, including 4 or 5 videos ago I showed you the 800 lumen with the 650 rechargeable. That's dang near identical to the older Focus rechargeable water resistant Milwaukee light, as well as it's similar to the new ones as well. But that's all I got for you guys today. Let me know if you guys have tried this in the comments below, how you like it, how long you've had. Part number is Henry Charlie 0202-1 Alpha. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I've also got an Ulsa Tools link down below at the top of the description that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my order at Ulsa Tools as well. So when you use it, it does save me money as well. It's much appreciated. I want to say thank you to all the people that are subscribed, not subscribed, that watch the channel, that like, dislike. that leave comments, that stop by, just check out videos, whether you leave comments or not, as well as the people that have been with me throughout the years, people that have, supported on Patreon at one point, or PayPal, shoot me some money on PayPal to help with, bringing stuff to the channel for you guys, as well as all you guys that have made it possible for the channel to be monetized. You guys are the reason it's monetized and it's making money. None of this was purchased with YouTube money. I will always let you know when I buy something with the YouTube money. I purchased these things with my own money. It was like $93 for both of these items out the door. As well as I want to say thank you to the members. Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut, which is an awesome channel, as well as Blake's Automotive and Restoration. Those are the 3 channel members. If you guys want to check out the channel memberships, I'm trying to add stuff to them and provide more features for the different tiers of cost. If you do decide to become a member, I very much appreciate it. You guys can always provide suggestions on things you want to see on the channel. Maybe things that you would like to see changed in the editing, if you guys want to see more fancy editing. I do have a lot of older videos that I did lots of fancy editing in. Just kind of got bored with it. But if there's something you guys want to know, you guys want to see, don't hesitate to comment. I will try to get back to you the best I can. And I got lots of SR5 videos going to be coming up in the near future. We're going to be restoring Sky, which is the silver 4Runner that's been on the channel forever, after the car wreck. I want to say thank you to all the people that were supportive and prayers and everything after the truck wreck. I appreciate it. I'm starting to get back on my feet, feeling a little bit better other than the back pain and the neck pain. Doctors told me I have to take it easy because of the fracturing in the 3rd vertebrae. But, it's not too bad. It's a hairline fracture. It should heal within 3 to 6 months. Just got to take it easy. I can still do stuff, just not an abundance. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. You guys have fun. Stay safe. Stay dirty. Have fun while you're fixing stuff. And hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!